Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to help you out how to choose between, on the left, Interactive Brokers, and on the right, Fidelity. In today's video, I want to make one thing clear, and that is I won't tell you which platform is better. They are totally different, and I can tell you which one is better because they're doing totally different things. So what really matters is not choosing the most popular platform, but choosing the platform that matches your investing style, your experience level, and the type of accounts or tools you actually need. And I will tell you in today's video the differences between those two. And then, hopefully, after this video, you can choose which platform will fit you the best. Because Interactive Brokers and Fidelity can both be great platforms, but they are built for different users and different investing goals. So I wrote down 5 different topics, and I will tell you in today's video what the differences are. We will look at the main focus, who each platform is best for, the trading tools, the interface, and the fees and trading cost. So let's start right here with Interactive Brokers, because the main focus on Interactive Broker is that Interactive Brokers is a global investing and professional trading platform. That means it is built more for serious traders, active investors, and people who want access to global markets, advanced order types, and professional-level tools. On Fidelity, it's a full-service investing and retirement platform. So Fidelity is more focused on long-term investing, retirement planning, research, mutual funds, and giving users a reliable platform to manage their money over time. Interactive Brokers is the best for traders and international investors, and Fidelity is the best for long-term investors and retirement-focused users. So if you want to trade actively, invest across many countries, or use advanced tools, Interactive Brokers may fit you better. But if your goal is long-term wealth building, retirement accounts, simple portfolio management, and strong research support, Fidelity can be the better choice. If you look to the trading tools, Interactive Broker has stocks, ETFs, options, futures, forex, bonds, plus global markets. And Fidelity has stocks, ETF, mutual funds, options, plus strong research and retirement tools. So Interactive Brokers gives you more advanced trading products and wider international access, while Fidelity gives you the main investing tools most long-term investors need, especially if you care about mutual funds, retirement planning, and research. If you compare the interfaces, Interactive Broker has a powerful professional platform, but it's more complex, and Fidelity is simple, beginner-friendly, but still powerful. So with that, it means when you're a beginner, I can recommend you Fidelity because that is very easy to use. Interactive Brokers can take more time to learn because it has many professional features, but that can be useful for experienced traders. Fidelity is easier to understand, which makes it a good option if you are just starting, or if you want a clean platform without too much complexity. Then, if you look to the fees and trading cost, Interactive Brokers has very low commissions with tiered pricing, ideal for high volume and global trading. Fidelity has commission-free stock and ETFs, option contracts, and some services may have fees, so keep that in mind. This is important because fees can affect your returns over time. Interactive Brokers can be strong for active and international traders who care about low trading costs, while Fidelity can be attractive for long-term investors who want commission-free stock and ETF trading. If you ask me, choose Interactive Brokers if you want a very low fees, global market access, and a professional trading platform for active and international investing. This is a good fit if you trade often, want access to markets outside your home country, or need advanced tools for a more serious investing strategy. And choose Fidelity if you want a simple, reliable platform for long-term investing, retirement accounts, and strong research tools with commission-free stock and ETF trading. This is a good fit if you want to build a portfolio over time, invest for retirement, use research tools, and keep your investing experience simple and reliable.